In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 0x80070194, also known as the cloud file provider exited unexpectedly. This is a common issue that many OneDrive users face, but thankfully, it can be resolved with a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get your OneDrive back on track. First and foremost, the simplest and often most effective step is to restart your computer. This might seem like an overly basic action, but it often resolves a multitude of software issues by giving your system a fresh start. So go ahead and restart your computer, and once it's back up and running, we'll continue with the next step. Next, we need to open the Run dialog box, which can be easily accessed by pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard simultaneously. Doing this brings up a small window where you can directly input commands. In that newly opened dialog box, type in the command %localapp data %flash Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive exe/reset. Then press enter. This command will reset OneDrive, which usually helps resolve issues related to the error we're addressing today. You might notice that a command prompt window appears and disappears quickly. This is completely normal. Once the command is executed, be patient and wait a few minutes for the reset process to complete. After allowing some time for the reset, find the OneDrive icon in your system tray, typically located at the bottom right of your screen. Click on it and then navigate to Help and Settings, represented by a gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Account tab. Here, you'll see an option to unlink this PC. Clicking this allows you to disconnect your OneDrive account from the current device, which can clear up any syncing issues. Once you have unlinked your PC, proceed to restart your computer again. As your device reboots, when you sign back in, you'll be prompted to set up OneDrive anew. Go through the setup process to ensure everything is configured correctly. If these steps haven't resolved the error, there may be a corrupted or missing installation file causing the issue. In this case, you'll need to uninstall OneDrive from your system. To do this, navigate to your Windows settings, locate OneDrive among your installed applications, and uninstall it. Finally, you'll want to download the latest version of the OneDrive application from the official Microsoft website. After downloading, go ahead and install it, which should remedy any issues related to older or faulty installation files. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the OneDrive error 0x80070194 and enjoy uninterrupted sync capabilities once again. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.